Who is the father of English literature? Yes, the father of English literature is Geoffrey Chaucer. He has born 1343 and death 1400. Actually, he is known as father of English literature and modern English poetry. His famous book is The Book of Darces and the Canterbury Tales, and his famous poetry is The House of Fame, The Legend of Good Women, Nan Priest's Tale. And his famous quotation is, and I think that this quotation everyone knows or everyone has heard this one or twice time or many more time. That is, time and tide waits for none. Thank you for watching.